Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do exercise of chapter 1 from book Amazing Science grade 7th. Open page number 10 from the book. Let's do the question answers. First question is, name the vegetative and reproductive parts of a plant. Now you have to open page number 2. Here, vegetative parts. The stem, root and leaves are the vegetative parts of plant. They form the main body of plant. Here the second part of first question is the reproductive parts. From here, the flower is the reproductive part of plant. Here first question ends. Question number 2. Describe the stem of a plant. Again open page number 2. Here from the heading, the stem. The stem is the part of plant which grows above the ground. It bears leaves, buds, flowers and the fruits. Now, the third question is, name and describe different types of roots. Here students, you have to open page number 3. Topic, the root. Here are the types of roots. Tap roots, fibrous roots and adventitious roots. Here you can write the examples. For example, the names of vegetables, radish, onion, etc. And you can draw the diagrams also. Now, question number 4 starts. Explain the functions of a leaf. Students, again open page number 4. Here the functions of leaf. The leaf manufactures food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of processing food for the plant. The leaf processes this food. Stomata in the leaves help in gaseous exchange. The CO2 for matlab carbon dioxide comes out and oxygen goes in at the night, while in the day the process is reverse. Some thick and fleshy leaves store food, for example cabbage and kale, etc. The next question is, describe the male and female reproductive parts of a flower. Here open parts of a flower on page number 4. The androecium is the male part of flower which forms the third word. It is composed of stamens, pollen sacs and pollen grains. While the female part, the gynoecium, is the female part of the flower and is composed of carpels. You don't need to describe as much. If it is long question, then you need to describe. If it is short question, you just write names. Our last but not the least question is, what is a skeleton? What are different types of skeletons found in animals? Here is the definition of skeleton. I said you to underline. The hard material which supports and gives body to the shape of an animal is called the skeleton. Types of skeleton in organism is hydrostatic skeletons, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. You just write names. If it is a long question, then you may describe. No need to draw diagrams of these. The next question in the exercise is, write each important function of the following: root, stem, leaf, flower, sensory organs and skeletons. Here on the page number 3 are written the functions of root. You can write any two. The next is the stem. The stem bears leaves, fruits, flowers and supports the plant. The next is leaf. The leaf is the most important part of the plant because it manufactures food and it has stomata in its lower surface for the gaseous exchange. Next is the flower. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Next are the sensory organs. You may write, sensory organs help you feel what is being done with your body. For example, senses pain and taste and touch, etc. The skeleton. The skeleton helps, supports and strengthens your body. In the next question of exercise, you have to label these diagrams. Here I have labeled vein, lamina, petiole and midrib. Here I have labeled the parts of flower: stamen, petal, nectaries, carpel and sepals. The next question is, name the types of joints. This is ball and socket joint. This is hinge joint. Next we have to do question number 6. Match the part of body to its description. Brief description. Now we are going to do these matchings. Head. You match head with 2. Contains the mouth and the sensory organs. Trunk. The posterior part. Contains the important organs and systems. Exoskeleton. Gives shape and supports the body of animals. Cuticle. It is composed of plates and hollow tubes which protect the support the body. Hydrostatic skeleton. Supports soft-bodied animals by a liquid present between the cells. Endoskeleton. Made up of bones of different shapes and sizes and grows inside the body. Molting is the process when the cuticle is shed and a new one grows in its place. Bones are hard and are made up of living cells and mineral substances. These are also definitions of these words. Brief definitions, you can learn this from here also. Alhamdulillah, I have tried to clear all the points. If not, then ask me in comments. And stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.